Yo, what is good, YouTube family? And we're back with another one. And so this joint right here, I've been actually wanting to do for like the past week because it started popping up on YouTube and also on TikTok. And I didn't even know she did this iteration on MTV and shit like that. And it just looked and sounded dope. Now, I am a big fan of Doja. I think she is one of the dopest artists, female artists and rappers in the game right now. And she doesn't get enough credit for her rapping skills. And I think she's very dope. She's talented as fuck, bro. The only reason you don't see a lot of Doja Cat on the channel is because a lot of her stuff usually gets blocked, and it's frustrating. It's always frustrating. Hopefully but I know how the blocking system works now. Hopefully if it does get blocked, you guys will see it in a few days and stuff like that. But yeah, man, I've been wanting to see this. So let's get to it. I want to see it in its entirety, not just a quick 10-second clip and shit like that. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to spoil myself and shit. But yeah. But if you're new here, you just found my pretty face for the first time, how you doing? My name is Ace. We do reactions to all types of music, all types of genres, all types of everything. We just love music on the channel. And we love finding and discovering new music. And we love Doja Cat. Even though you don't see a lot of Doja Cat on the channel, we do fucks with Doja Cat on the channel. We do fucks with Doja Cat. So if you love Doja, or you just love music, hip-hop, R&B, country, K-pop, pop, EDM, rock, whatever the fuck it is, you just love music like I do, definitely hit that subscribe button, notification bell, smash that like button, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. Also, check out the Patreon. If you don't see the video on here, it is usually on Patreon, and then it comes up on YouTube and stuff like that sometimes. But sometimes I just do Patreon only stuff. So if you want to check out certain stuff or you got recommendations, definitely join the Patreon, join the family there, and also support your boy. Also, there is a GoFundMe if you want to check it out. Definitely, if you can support, you can support. If you can't, you can't. Love y'all still. All right, let's get to it, man. I'm excited. I'm very excited. This is probably gonna be one of my favorite reactions of the night, because I'm actually very excited. The song itself was already a good song. You know what I mean? Oh, that's fire. She did, what was that, The Ring? Right? The Ring? Or, I don't know, but yeah, I know the horror movie. That's dope, though. That's cool. But unlike the chick that came out of that movie, I wouldn't mind Doja coming out of my TV. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
It's been a long time since you ain't coming out your shell.
Wow, she looks gorgeous, bro. Gorgeous. Wow.
You only been yourself. Tell me what must I do? Cause luckily I'm good at reading. I wanna bug her, but it won't stop cheesing. And we can dance all day around it. If you're frontin', I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream and shout, babe. Before I leave you dry, day, night, to morning, keep with me in the moment.
Wow. Shout out to the fucking camera guy. My God, these angles. My God, crazy. crazy. And I didn't even know, is there a remix of this with Nicki Minaj, man? I didn't even know that they had a song together.
Like, that can love it, need it bad, take it, own it, steal it fast. Boy, stop playing, grab my ass. Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating round the bush. You know when you want all this woman. Yeah, all of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of them saying you mad committed. Put it to anybody you had it pretty. I love the body, I need that ass and titties.
My God. My God. She is too talented, bro. She is way too fucking talented, bro. I need some more rock from her, bro. She snapped on this, bro. Holy shit.
Like, that can love it, need it bad, take it, own it, steal it fast. Boy, stop playing, grab my ass. Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating round the bush. You know when you want all this woman. Yeah, all of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of them saying you mad committed. Put it to anybody you had it pretty. I love the body, I need that ass and titties.
Jeez. Shut the fuck up. Oh my Lord. Jesus, man. They snapping. They snapping. Oh my God. There was no reason. There was no reason for her to snap like that. Oh my God. And shout out to the fucking editors and oh my. Y'all about to enjoy some motherfucking ads, bro. Holy shit, bro. Crazy. crazy. Wow. 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 Wow.
Didn't even notice. Got to keep me focused.
Bruh. Is this Is this the first time her experimenting with like rock like that? My God, dude. Shout outs to the fucking guitarists, bro. Like the whole band. Oh my Lord, they snapped. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. How have I when this was 4 years ago and it only got 12 million views? That is insane. That is insane. And why the fuck am I not subscribed? Wow, bro. Holy shit. I was living under Dwayne Johnson. Pause. Jesus. Yo, that was fire, bro. That did, like I said, this is probably gonna be my favorite reaction of the day, and I think it is my favorite reaction of the day. Holy shit. Wow. But I don't care about my opinion, I care about y'all's. Definitely let me know what y'all thought of this video. If y'all enjoyed this video, definitely hit that subscribe button, notification bell, smash that like button, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And let me know what else y'all want to see, man. What y'all thought of the video, what y'all thought of this iteration of this song. I wonder if this song, like this version, is on DSPs, because oh my God, I would love this. That solo at the end was the most incredible solo I've heard in a while. Jesus. But check out the Patreon, check out the GoFundMe. Love y'all. See you in the next one. Peace and love like always. Wow.